Mwigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ng'ambia muno asoko genderera guturigiriria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi Chinsa Ibere bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyuru kiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abunda isi reke nambeye asese miao enoti Isano na Ibere inya Isano nemo Ibere Isano na Isano na Ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubeko roboti ubwo asembeo emesa yamu.
Tariki ni 13 mutinyu mutangani omwaka w'ekiro 2024 nechinga kwaregania twimanya mangana maye asenchera yowenge na nigo charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mubaso editora na Dorcas Kemuma nigo tokubatanera biganyancha makone kingamari gine chibicha agoikire asenchera yoboikirano nabago tobwatia wetera asenchera yemitando asensemo ya Facebook otunyabna Ndizi TV News Digital nabaigase YouTube tunyabna Ndizi TV News na baigase website yetu tonyana www.ndizitv.net. Abamenyi bebonge ya mumachoge nigo bagokeire okubwato kwa masakara yejibasari ayo arachi gokonya aborokiwa ase ensemeyo nigo bono baburiye serikali kugendera gusira aborokiwa ase bono bakubwatukira jibasari egento bagokeire nagoteba nemeroberie emeya ase okorwa bokonye bunobo ase aborokiwa abo bagendete kuigora chiskuru chiabo.
Kitu akore exercise kigiokoru chifomu asenchirengi ya sana naba machoge ba cooperative chiwoti chionsinye bo kimonge na magenche na bo chinabombaba ba cooperative sana asichi centers tu aruete ba nyori chifomu
so had to rush na ndenyorire kwanza ujagaiga na achire jinza jire jimbe lakini navere served buya na ira niriambuya mono bagenderete iga igazi ningiye gutoka iga
baise kogenderera iga ase constituency eta machoge bora nseyo mo yoito barongo echange na bekobo abantu bakonyekegera abana bandi school
kwa sababu machoge on Monday kogendera bakaichuma tare 19 abo obisano bagocha kobera se bituo biri asoko baganya na kupokea chifomu icho egera bachirete for further verification obisi gaiga yomushibyo
dente benga asenari chikora muchitari ko firegu akero bari ko chifomu bainshue nga chikora mwechi akero bako chirani bare all the information required na ende form terigo chikwancheru onyete bwati all the details chiancheire ekiagera tego chigoso ase data igonare go sababa machoge ba minto muno moira chifomu mwenshue nga kerikere getakeire gotokorro wakeretire.
Umugavana we county ya Kisii Simbarati ni gobono alireira yowo chikogendera gutenana ne kiama kia ODM ase atebna egentunke yokera murusi ase kiama ekiono nyaoberega kogosererwa korwa ase chinsemo aoche barai ase bono atebire muna ekione kiama arachi kwena kinga gya korire ase bochori ebore motwe igari kunya kwana yo chingaki aikeranete ase omuyega oyomo bwa matanga imeye county ya Migori aseboigo aboriria abarai kubwatirana naboigo gukora emeremo eri bachoreire.
Nipigwe teke sitarudi nyuma, nipigwe risasi nipigwe pingu ndio unasikia kelele za tenda na kila kitu. Wabunge wako na kazi yao, MCAs wako na kazi yao, women rep ako na kazi yake, senator ako na kazi yake, na gavana ako na kazi yake. Na wewe Mheshimiwa Ruto uko na kazi yako. Wacha niseme kama vice chairman wa chama. Kisii iko hapa, Migori iko hapa, Omabei iko hapa, Kisumu iko hapa, Siaya iko hapa, Busia iko pale, Kakamega iko. Mimi ni kuepo. Tutapambana na nyinyi vilivyo kisiasa. Ndugu zangu wabunge ambao mko hivi, wacha bwana, wacha mambo ya tangatanga, wacha tufanye. This region is one region. Ama wapi wote Eddie amesema hapa sisi ni orange na itabaki kuwa nini? Orange. Wacha niwaambie ukweli, nifunge macho hivi, nikifungua nipate hakuna mtu nyuma ya baba, mimi nitabaki peke yake nyuma yake. Huyo ndio mimi, na niko na uhakika vile mambo ilivyo. Unajua
Umurai wa Azimio Raila Odinga nigo amochirie serikali ase tunda yende ase ogo atebemna nige serikali ya Kenya Kwanza etarasika ebigambiro nanene abanachi ebina kolengana na Raila niga atebire nerebuya serikali gosomorai wense osikali chiko lie katiba ase kiria atebire na nigo bairete chinga kichintambe konyora obosibore ase katiba nigo boigo abolire ebigambiro bibe bigo sikwana boigo konyora obosibole boli bobwenerete nigari kunyakwa nabyo chinga kibalenge ase omoyega oyo mubwa matanga imeye county ya Migori.
On powers that have been given to the county government constitutionally. So many of these acts are being drafted somewhere, and because they have already taken parliament captive, they are being passed in parliament without any amendments. When we were in parliament, debate on a bill did not have any time limitation. And you could talk on a bill for an hour, for 2 hours, for a day. So long as you don't repeat yourself, nobody will stop you. These days they bring 3 bills to be passed in one afternoon. And the speakers are the ones who are doing it. They say debate today, a member is going to be allowed only 3 minutes. What can you discuss in 3 minutes? Is it with a bill, 60 clauses or 100 clauses, and you're being told 3 minutes? Why? Because they want to change this country and take us back to where we come from. Through parliament. Nisema bunge imehasiwa. Bunge sasa hakuna makende. To court and say that the current structure of county commissioners and the regional commissioners is unconstitutional. It undermines the spirit of the current constitution. And then you have seen somebody saying that I will disregard court orders. That is the language you understand very well. Who are you to disregard court orders?
Mori kiyomanene bw'ekyama kya UDA Cleophas Marara nigobono abolire abawakiri ase ebigambiro ogwetingania guse kwerusanania kurwa ase amangana yesiasa asenseto ya Kenya kakwane igaya kwantayo chinga kyalenge ase omoyega bwa matanga imeye county ya Tharaka Nithi nigoboigo amochetie abawakili ase okubwatana na amo na babwatani kurwa ase omo bwazimio asogokora okurobekana okukwakorekanete abolitko ligoro nigo boigo ababolire gokorera abakenya bonsi emeremo ase atebena nigo baswere wesona na babwata nikoro ase bali abagopinga serikali.
Ningependa kuomba wabunge wangu muendelee kushikilia rais. Leo nimeona hata LSK, the Law Society of Kenya, ati wanafanya maandamano against the president, na yule mtu ambaye anatembea nao ni Kalonzo Musyoka. I would like to ask the Law Society of Kenya, differentiate yourself from the political class. Kalonzo Musyoka, the deputy leader of opposition, cannot be in your demonstrations. Ati yeye ndio anawaambia mfanye maandamano. Raila ndio anawaambia mfanye maandamano. The Law Society of Kenya must be independent.
Ikiombe kia wakili kia LSK kurwase kaunti ya Mombasa nigo kia sokire na kumochia serikali asebono wa mochirie omora ibwense Dr. William Ruto ase ogotasika okona chwa kwebina akwarwa ase ebigambiro asebono ba mobolire kwenekinga nkurwale ogosika kwa katiba asebono batena nigo richiko rienseto ya Kenya litarigochora ngobwenete koribwatia korende kiro monto nigabwanete kubwatia richikeri ochinga kibalingo kora okurobekana kwabo aboli tukoligoro nigobono balirire serikali kosika ebigambiro asekeri batena tigabali babwatraniwe nobokurume babeba kubwatukwa amarietabo asekeri batena nigo abantu bonsi bali bakora emirimo ase bigambiro bakonyora okogosererwa ekero serikali ekonyako kwana chinkwano bune chiro morai bwense abireka gokwana nigobono bagani abantu bonsi wesoke na kubwatirana eligosira ebigambiro.
As advocates today we are making a march, and as you can see all of us we are wearing purple ribbons. It's a historic symbol, an emblem in our hearts whenever the rule of law and governance in this country has been threatened. Advocates always wear the purple ribbon. And the reason we are wearing the purple ribbon and making the march here in Mombasa is to remind the president of this country, is to remind the executive, and to remind the political class that we are where we are as a country because of the respect to the rule of law and the respect to democratic governance and processes that the citizens of the Republic of Kenya enabled by passing the 2010 Constitution. Historically, as a country, we come from far, very far. We cannot afford to cast aspersions into the standing of the judiciary. It's a hallowed arm of government. It is where Kenyans run to when things get thick.
Jambo hilo ni la uzito na tunawahimiza watu wote katika nchi yetu washirikiane na mawakili ili tutoe kwa ukali maneno ambayo rais wetu amesema si maneno mazuri, sababu judiciary ndio our last line of defense.
It is in a court of law where facts and evidence are weighed or are put on a scale, and we have an outcome. Either we lose or we win. We are given reasons for that. Wakati tuliambiwa is unconstitutional, hakuna mtu amesema kwamba president akona mpango vibaya na Wakenya.
Ikiombe kia bagavana kia Council of Governors ni gobono kia boridia serikali kubwatuka chibesa guchia ase county kaukwana omugavana we county ya Kakamega Vanandez Barasa oyobo igo ore omoteneneri ase kigancha gie chibesa ase kiombe kio kia bagavana ni gobona mocheri serikali ase okonyoria kubwatuka chibesa cho guchia ase county ase kiria tayuro ni gochi serikali county cha sinyure wakana abakoli emeremo babo egento kyababereiro mochando ase county chabo.
To the PFM Act, we are supposed to be receiving all the disbursements by 15th of every month. That is a matter that is already in the PFM Act. Hakuna haja kila wakati tunachelewa kulipa wafanyakazi, tunachelewa kulipa madaktari wetu, tunachelewa kununua madawa kwa ECD because of the National Treasury. I want to call upon the National Treasury to release close to 52 billion Kenya shillings, which is owed to our 47 counties, so that we can facilitate mambo ya maendeleo hapo ugatuzini, kwa sababu jambo ambalo tumefanya leo, unless we get money from the national treasury being released on time.
Omoncho morieno romwedi wa mangana Amayia asinchira yobenge chikoraga Chinsa ikomi ningirane nankumanye ayande ayoma nayanda mange egendera kurigirigita sene kya Ndizi TV obwanso bomo Gusii eritariane Dorcas Kemuma nigoto batanere abige nyanchama oyone kinga amarigene chibicha awikire asinchira yobwikirano.